This van is the 2022 version of the Tessoro 481 motorhome from Benimar. It is in length 6 meters and it costs 62,500 euros. This van distinguishes itself by having a bed up there. It's effectively a lounge on wheels because it's got this enormous table here. The bed will come down electronically. It's on a Ford base, and you've also got this enormous kitchen at the back. Plenty of room there for doing food preparation. Here we have a fridge, and there's a bit of place down here for storing bottles. Storage around the sides, including this rather nice pull-out pantry. Storage up there, though I'm not certain what you're supposed to do with this, as it's not much of a ledge. Storage here, there. In here you've got a large shower. Bear in mind this vehicle's only 6 meters in length, and you've got this enormous shower, and probably got a light in it here as well. There's the toilet. Don't know where the light is. It'll turn up, no doubt. Wardrobe is also enormous. This one has been used for cushions for some of the vehicle. And down here we have more storage. So you've got plenty of storage in this van. This one's also the garage because it has access to the outside. Now the problem is, of course, you've got 6 meters and you've seen everything, so you're not going to get much of a garage in here. We've got this here, which may or may not be open. It's closed. You can see it comes with lights which work, and on this side there is entrance to the garage, which is that long thing there, but we're not going to see it because this van here is parked so close to it, and you can see the bathroom window opens. A friend of mine bought this van and he's very happy with it. So that is the Tessoro 481 2022. Storage there as well, look at that. Thanks for watching. Hope you found that interesting. That video was done in under 3 minutes.